Hello, I'm Chris, and welcome to CKM Car Design's channel. This time we will show a former project we did of the W221 Mercedes S65 AMG. Please hit subscribe to make sure you don't miss our upcoming projects and episodes. We started out with this 2007 S65 AMG long wheelbase model. It was already fitted with the 2010 facelift outside mirrors. It was also already retrofitted with the red smoke 2010 model tail lights. We started out by removing this gray interior, for a two-tone black and beige interior to take its place. Here you can see the big difference in the gray and beige interior. We also colored all the stitching by hand to make it stand out in black and add to the two-tone color touch. We also replaced the old style AMG seat emblem with the new style. And then we had the headrests in gray plastic. That do not go well with our standards. So we decided to go for Alcantara to raise the level of detail. Gray steering wheel was replaced with the black sport version, including a leather airbag. As you can see here, we took the old airbag cover in gray off and replaced it with the matching black cover. We also added the bigger AMG metal shift paddles. Factory option here is an all-tan armrest, but I took a black one and mixed it with a tan one to get the two-tone look. Time to move the parts from the old front center console to the facelift console, including upgrading to the wood cover. So, time to dismantle the old interior down to almost bare metal. And finally, the beautiful new interior starts to take shape. As you can see here, we also installed illuminated sills and AMG custom floor mats. The headrests have the rare beautiful embossed AMG logo. We also added the AMG seat emblems in rear, which is not a factory option on older models. We also added the rear champagne cooler and the two tables to go with it, of course. The premium sound system's illuminated speakers was also retrofitted. We also added a much brighter light strip to the door trim, and of course AMG logo downlights. "22-inch wheels and a lowering kit. And here it's all installed. Here is the complete headlights with the important converter kit. The full exterior kit is back from paint. We also added carbon details to the front. And here we add the carbon trunk wing. And carbon mirror covers with LED downlights. We also added the two-tone treatment to the calipers in Mercedes original colors. And now for the grand finale. Just enjoy the pictures of a fantastic and unique Mercedes S65 AMG in CKM style, of course. That's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on future projects.